Let's take a look at the chat activity and how it can extend the conversations beyond the walls of the classroom. I like Moodle's description of the chat feature. They say, chats enable participants to have text-based, real-time, synchronous discussions. These can be really powerful. I like them because chats provide a safe way to have learners communicate because the discussions can be monitored and all chats can be saved and made available for others in the class to see. Let's take a look at how to add a chat. I'm going to go down to one of my sections here. Let's say Navigating Conflict. And I'll click here on Add an Activity or Resource. Now, in this case, I want to select Chat, and then at the bottom, I'll click on Add. Here's where we can begin customizing our chat. So we first have to name the chat room. I'm going to title this one Project Discussions. So in my course, we'll be working on projects, and I would like a time for students to be able to go online, ask questions, share some different things about their projects. So here we could leave a description, and that's probably a good idea so that you can let students know how to use the chat and what your expectations are. Now, below this, we have a section for chat sessions, and this is important to set up. So when will the next chat time be? And let's say that I want to have mine on the 15th of November at 1:00 p.m. Next, we have repeat publish session times. So don't publish any chat times, no repeats. Do you want it at the same time every day or at the same time every week? And I'd like to have this discussion or this chat at the same time every week. So I'll click on that. Next, we have to decide if we want to save past sessions. You can go here and click Never Delete Messages or select a time period that you want them deleted after. In this case, I'm going to go up and put 90 days because our course will be done by then. Now here it says, everyone can view past sessions. No, but in this case, I want to change that to yes. I want these to be transparent discussions that other students can go in and look at and hopefully learn from. Now down here, we have some other settings that we can change. However, now I'm going to go click Save and Display. And this is what the chat will look like. When students access it, they'll be able to click on a link to enter the chat. If the chat times are open, they'll be able to go in here and type in any messages. I'll type in a sample message here and click Send. And as you can see, it goes here. So this is a lot like texting or chatting online, but it is inside of Moodle, and I really like it because it keeps a record of the chats that have taken place. So if you're looking for a way to empower students to communicate and collaborate outside of the class, or you want to set up some online office hours where you can answer different questions that the students may have, the chat activity may be a great option for your course.